This video is brought to you by Vantrue Dashcams. Their N4 Pro is one half of the setup you regularly see in my videos, which has excellent quality footage, and even more stunning nighttime footage. Use this code on screen for money off until the 16th of September, and please find links to a selection of their dashcams in the description.
Oh my God!
Are you ready?
Oh dear! Go on, let's do it now!
What's up, drivers? Welcome to 6 Minute Saturdays. I'm your host, Dashcam Hull. Let's see what's been happening in Hull this month. The Department of Transport are currently working alongside Nextbase and Chillytech to provide a bunch of free dashcams to motorists frequently using the busiest roads across East Yorkshire. The only condition? You have to regularly report your clips to Operation Snap. So watch out, because it seems that soon being caught on dashcam in and around Hull and East Yorkshire will end up in a little more than some random knobhead YouTuber making fun of you. Let me know in the comments the first time you spot the motorcycle. If you said here, then I don't blame you. It's not at all difficult to tell that this motorcyclist was hidden behind Beansack's A-pillar on the approach to the roundabout, and they're clearly travelling too fast for a roundabout. I said in the last 6 Minute Saturdays that recognising when you've not been seen is the difference between a good road user and a bad road user. Anyway, this motorcyclist then cuts into Beansack's lane and gives him a hand gesture as they turn off on the next stretch of road. I'm sure that me siding with Beansack in this clip will upset a few motorcyclists, but if you're flying onto roundabouts, cutting lanes and calling other people wankers, it's probably about time that you got some further training and improved your attitude before that chance is taken away from you due to your own lack of self-preservation. It's time for this month's donkey.
You f***ing donkey!
Credit to Sean for allowing me to use this clip. His friend was prattling about drifting in snowy conditions when the literal only probable outcome is exactly what happens.
Fuck. No fucking shot! Dude!
Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
Dude!
Who cares?
You're a fucking moron!
Couldn't have said it better myself, buddy. However, that impact is not why he's getting one of these. You guys know exactly what I'm going to say next, don't you?
My car's too much power.
Yep, he gets it for the second one.
Bro. Dude, again? You're oh my God!
Yo, I think this is your fucking coolant hose.
Dude.
Denial encountered a poor, confused BMW driver who fails to spot the police's left signal and proceeds to block their path. Had they stayed put, the police would have probably gotten through a lot sooner, but the real kicker? Their original position at the start of the clip makes zero sense, as they actually wanted to go straight on and not right at the lights. Can't make this shit up, can you? Siscam ended up with a bizarrely 50p shaped dent on her roof. I've studied this clip extensively and cannot for the life of me find the source of the impact. She assumed that some kid had thrown a 50p coin at her car, which is a very plausible theory, but there's practically absolutely no one anywhere to be seen. However, shortly before impact, a bird can be seen flying above the road.
And you've got to try and get out. Is it light? Ooh, what was that? What was that?
Cross the roundabout.
On the fire, it was something hitting the roof.
This is probably a pretty bird-brained theory, but who else thinks that that was a magpie who just dropped his piece of silver? Viewer discretion is advised for this next clip, but G-Man confirmed that he did see the deer get up and run back into the bushes.
Fuck.
Thankfully, the damage to his car wasn't too bad either. It definitely looked a lot worse from the angle of a dashcam. Now though, it is time for the road rules. Yes, it does.
Nice to see you. Yes, it is.
This is where we'll take a look at the best and more frequently the worst of the miscellaneous driving clips that I've stumbled upon during my internet browsing. We've all been in this situation, trying to pull out onto a busy road and wondering when and how the hell you're going to manage to get out. Well, these guys have an MLG Strat for that. Speaking of MLG Strats, whether or not a warden would give a ticket or implode the integrity is by the by, but you'd also have to hope it doesn't rain. Let's play a game of what happens next. Weren't expecting that one, were you? But anyway, that's all we have time for today. If you like this video, give it a like, give me a sub, click the notification bell, buy a dash cam from my links down below, you can get some money off, and we'll have another chinwag really soon. Peace!
Sit. Sit. Lay down. Don't think that's quite what I said.